Oh god. I'm like mentally trying to prepare myself for this.
Good luck.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, let's do
Okay.
this.
All right. Say what? Hey guys, welcome back to Say What Reacts. Guys, we're back again. I've already warned her. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think she's going to be okay. There's not a lot of crazy Sehun in here, so at least there's that.
Okay.
But there's a lot of Kai and Lei.
Oh god.
Yeah. So yeah. And Baekhyun likes to make eye contact with the camera too. He's pretty good at that too. Okay, guys. It is time, as you can see by the title, for her to see White Noise Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love. I'm just gonna play it. I don't even need to say anything more. They know. I don't need to say anything more because they know.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready. Let's.
Okay. Get it? It's like one of my favorite songs of theirs. So Suho's power is water, by the way. Baekhyun is light. Chen's is like thunder, lightning. His power is water. Don't you worry, baby. Don't you worry, baby. Okay, well, I just backed it up like 5 seconds so you can see that again. Even my dog's thirsty. Might as well just take a water break.
Yeah. Okay.
That's hilarious. Wait, hold on. His power is light. Isn't that cool? The way they did that with the lights. I love this song so much. His vocals, though. Ugh, his too. Jesus. And his. Eye contact with the camera all the time. Hey, what is my dog doing? Lay with that black hair and black eyeliner. Oh, there goes the wink.
Trouble.
Yeah. So that's white noise. This is thunder, which is Chen's power, which makes sense. Do you guys hear my dog? He's like losing his shit over there. He can't take it either. Are you okay, babe?
He's having a moment.
Yeah? Okay. Oh, they're so cute. He hates doing cute things, so it's like great when he does them. They love playing rock, paper, scissors. Look at that. Do you see that?
Uh-huh.
Smile, and then, like, I'm in for the kill. Jesus. Oh, he's so pretty. They're so good. Jesus. Sorry. Yes, boy. Breathe at me. It's Playboy.
That smile.
I know. Can you not moan like that, please? Jesus. Oh, there's some interesting fan cams of this whole thing. Smacking each other's butts, holding each other's hands. Oh, there's all kinds of interesting fan cams of this. Jesus, Lay. This note Baekhyun is about to hit. So good. These guys. And then there's Dio just being cute. Giving you a little heart. This is Artificial Love.
Okay.
Nope.
Oh my god. I'm gonna take a water break. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to back that up. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. We got Kai, Dio, Baekhyun, and Chanyeol in that one. So Kai and Dio's rolling it. Jesus. This is Jacob's favorite song, by the way. That eye contact. You ready for it?
I'm not ready.
Jesus Christ, hold on. Hold on a second, we're backing that up. Hold on. Okay, so we have Suho and Schumann. But watch Lay. Look at Lay on the left side of the screen, guys. The second one, not this one. This one. Jesus, and then look at Chen. Look, watch Chen on the right on the second shot. Look at him. He's like eye contact with the camera as he's like humping the cane. Look at
like,
Chen.
oh,
Oh
yeah.
my god. Silly Pack's gonna lose her shit. Oh my god.
It's gonna be great.
Oh, it's gonna be the best video ever. Oh my god, I can't wait. Get it, Baekhyun. Oh, we didn't see Sehun humping the cane.
I know.
What? Get it. Those are some tight ass pants.
They really are.
That look like leggings. They were so damn tight.
Oh. Okay.
Lace shirt is too short. I'm not complaining though. His eyes are so pretty.
You see the way they looked at the camera?
Oh, I saw. I've seen that so many times, girl.
I believe it.
Yeah, I mean, why would I not rewatch that? Oh wow. I even made a just Kai's like sections, like just Kai like parts where you see him come up. I even made a video of just that. It's on my original edits playlist if you guys want to check it out. Feel free. Yeah. So that's White Noise Thunder, Playboy Artificial Love. That's their sexy part of the concert.
That was, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I love that video. I love that video so much.
It was very,
Yeah.
was, yeah. I don't know. Don't have words.
Words. Yeah. It's probably one of my favorite performances of theirs. I have a couple of them, but that's probably one of my favorite live performances
really
of
good.
theirs. Yeah.
It's
Really good. Oh, God, I can't wait to see Silly Pack react to this. Oh, my God.
God.
I know, dude. She's going to lose her
She
shit.
needs to bring like a whole thing of water. So
She's waiting for her sister to be there with her, so she's not by herself when she does it.
It's gonna be great.
God, I can't wait. Oh, my God. My cheeks hurt from smiling so much.
They're all such good songs too. So I'm like,
Dude.
how can I ever pick a favorite song, much less a favorite person?
Yeah, I know. It's the struggle of being an EXO-L. Yes, girl, I know. It's the struggle, the daily struggle in the EXO-L life. Yeah. Although I do have favorites. Sweet Noise, what the fuck? Sweet Lies, Oasis, White Noise, and then Artificial Love. And then... maybe Wait. Oh, I don't know. Ooh, I really like Cloud 9 though. See, she doesn't know like any of these songs except for the ones we've already heard. Yeah, she's never heard Sweet Lies. Oh, Sweet Lies is so good. It's my favorite song. Okay, we're gonna go. Yeah, okay. Please like, comment, and subscribe. That would be amazing. And if there's anything you think she wants to react to or you want to see her react to, please leave it down below in the comments. That would be also amazing. And yeah, we're going to go. And we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.